Hello everyone, I am Madavan and today I will be presenting my analysis of the 2024 election data using Power BI. We will explore election results, party performance and voter trends through interactive visualization. Our primary goal is to analyze the 2024 election data to gain insights into election results and party performance. By creating interactive visualizations and dashboards, we provide a comprehensive view of political dynamics across constituencies, facilitating state-wise and constituency-wise performance comparisons. The problem statement focuses on delivering a detailed analysis of the 2024 election results. We ensure reliable insights by accurately combining and cleaning the election results and party alliance data. Our analysis includes comparing the performance of political parties and alliances through interactive dashboards that allow for multidimensional exploration. Our dataset consists of two main parts, election result data and party alliance data. The election results data includes identifiers, state names, constituency details, leading and trailing candidates, vote margins, and election status, while the party alliance data details the political parties and their alliances, ensuring meaningful insights. In Power Query, we merge the two data sets using a left-outer join based on the leading party and party name, creating fields for both leading and trailing alliances. This comprehensive approach ensures thorough understanding of the alliances involved. Next, we create a new calculated columns to enhance analysis. One key metric is the percentage margin, calculated using the DAX function divide, which normalizes the vote margin and helps us understand its significance in the broader context of the election. Moving on to the measures, we calculate several important metrics. The total constituencies measure counts unique constituencies, while total votes sums the total margins across all constituencies. We also determine total wins by counting the rows where the election status is result declared. Finally, we calculate the win rate, which provides insights into the effectiveness of parties in securing wins across constituencies. Now, let's dive into the output of our analysis, which is presented through our Power BI dashboard. The first section is the overall analysis page, where we have several key metrics visualized for quick insights. We display total votes, total wins, win rate, and total alliances using card visuals. This allows stakeholders to quickly grasp the essential metrics at a glance. Total votes by leading party. This visualization highlights the distribution of total votes across leading parties, helping us understand which parties commanded the most support. So if I click this, so the total entire visualization is also interacted. If I deselect, it is came to the normal position. Similarly, we have total wins by leading alliances and total wins by trailing alliances. This indicates the performances of these two alliances, providing insights into the competitive dynamic among parties. Win rate by trailing party. This visual gives us a better understanding of how trailing parties performed relative to their overall participation in the election. Most leading candidate by wins. Using a card visual, we identify the candidate with the most wins, highlighting key figures in the election cycle. Most trailing candidate by wins. Similarly, this card visual showcases the candidate who was the most frequently in the trailing position, offering a unique perspective on the election landscape. Next, we move to the state-wise analysis page. Here, we have incorporated a map visual where states are represented as location and the size of each state reflects the total wins. For example, state Maharashtra total wins is 48. This geographic representation allows us to identify key battlegrounds and the political engagement level in different regions. Finally, we have the constituency wise analysis section. This page includes several important metrics, total wins by constituencies. This visualization provides a detailed view of how each constituency is voted, allowing us to see local political dynamics. Total votes by constituencies. This metric complements the wins data showing the actual voting behavior across constituencies. Total wins and total votes by state. Here we present a comparative analysis of total wins and votes aggregated by state, facilitating a broader understanding of state level performance. For example, for Telangana, total wins is 70, total votes 35,000 lakh something. And finally, we have key influences in the election results, identifying which factors are the most significant impact on voting outcomes. Overall, this dashboards helps us to powerful tool for visualizing complex election data, making it accessible and easy to interpret for stakeholders involved in the electoral process. In our results and discussion section, we find that the BJP leads in the total votes and wins, while the NDA alliance shows the highest overall wins. The India alliance demonstrates competitive strength in trailing positions, state-wise insights reveal key battlegrounds and varied party representation, and constituency trends highlight areas of higher voter turnout and significant wins. Looking ahead, there are several avenues for exploration, enhancing analysis with predictive analytics using machine learning, integrating real-time data for dynamic updates, conducting voter sentiment analysis through social media, and expanding geographic analysis to more granular levels. In conclusion, this analysis provides valuable data-driven insights into voter behavior and election dynamics. The interactive dashboards enhances accessibility, supporting informed decision making for future elections. This project lays a strong foundation for ongoing research into electoral data and evolving voter preferences. Thank you.